Happy birthday. Yay! Happy birthday once again to our birthday.
Anak ni na Baron Geisler at Nadia Montenegro na si Sofia Angela Asisio nagdebu na, nito lamang August 13 ay masayang ipinagdiwang ng anak ni na Baron Geisler at Nadia Montenegro na si Sofia Asisio ang kanyang ika-18th birthday. Nitong linggo ng gabi August 18 nang ganapin ang kanyang engranding debut celebration kung saan present ang kanyang mommy Nadia, mga kapatid at iilang mga malalapit na kaibigan ng pamilya. Spotted din sa party ang iilang kilalang personalidad na sina Lotlot de Leon, Arlene Mulak, Maricel Soriano at marami pang iba. Samantala, sa kalagitnaan ng party ay hindi naman napigilan ni Nadia Montenegro ang maging emosyonal nang magbigay ito ng birthday message sa kanyang anak. Narito panuurin natin ang mga videos na naibahagi mula sa 18th birthday celebration ni Sofia Asisio.
Happy birthday. Yay! Happy birthday once again to our birthday.
Ma-enjoy mo ng photo ang lahat, kaya enjoy, joy. Happy birthday! I love you, Susu! I'm so proud of you. So
Ninang naman, ninang.
itong hilintay. So, Tita Nats, so may mga rights na sa Sofia na pwede natin ibigay. Open pa rin yung bahay namin. May kwarto ka doon. So, anytime na gusto mong pumunta, makakapunta ka. So, the whole family is always with you. You've been through a lot, we've been through a lot, and always remember na nandito kami sa'yo, and lagi ka pa rin namin ibigay. Happy, happy birthday, Sofia. We love you. Eto rin, may gift ako. Hi, honey. Kapal ba?
Yung sa amin dito yung hilera, Gcash na lang. Oo, kasi hindi kami handa, anak. Okay? So mamaya yung number mo, ibigay mo kay Tito Warren. Si Tito Warren ang bahala sa'yo. Tsaka si Tito Rocky. Yan. Yan ang mga the best. Yan. Kami, oo, spokesperson. No, kidding aside, my love. I just wanna wish you a happy, happy birthday. Stay happy. And may all your dreams and prayers come true. Well, I will always be praying for you. And you know na nandito lang ako. Okay? I love you. Happy birthday, darling.
Oh, siyempre, Gcash ang form. Yung regalo. Pero bakit pa si tita, di ba? Ang bayad sa 30 pa. Okay, kidding aside din. You know, your mom asked me 2 days ago. Sabi niya, Arlene, were you there when I gave birth to Sofia? Sabi ko, yeah, I was. Sabi ko ganyan. What, can you give me details? Sabi ko, naku, Nadia, akong pinakamaling person to ask because I have a very faulty memory. But, I remember everything about all of you. You, your sisters, your brother. I was a witness to all of you growing up. And having said that, ang sa akin lang naman, a tip as you enter adulthood. Life is not, siyempre nakapag-isip ako sa tagal. Medyo naka-form yung sasabihin ko. Life is never always a bed of roses, di ba? So, there are ups and downs. Sometimes you'll make mistakes, but even if you do make mistakes, if and when you fall, get up, dust yourself off, hold your head up high, and move on. Because, Tita Lina, tawa ka dyan, nakapag-isip ako, because your mistakes should never define who you are. Ha? So, di ba? So, ang galing ko mag-isip. Oh, ha? So, happy birthday. I love you forever and ever. Amen. I love you.
Ang dami na nilang sinabi. Hindi. Happy birthday. I love you. May God bless you in many ways.
Amen.
Amen.
Hi, dear Sophie. It's your 18th birthday, and we're so happy to see you, that you've grown to be an intelligent, beautiful, and God-fearing woman. And I can't thank your parents enough for bringing you up. And I'm so proud of you, and we'll always be watching you, even from afar. I love you so much.
Hi Sophie, I'm going to call for some backup. Because Tita Tanya wasn't able to speak kanina, so I'll call her in. So, ayan.
Yan.
Birthday ni Sophie to! Kailangan niya ng backup. Hindi, no. Sophie, kasi hindi ako nag-talk daw kanina. But baby, from the time you were born, I knew you would always be special. Kasi ikaw lang yung baby namin na kalbo. O diba, siya lang yung baby natin na kalbo. Pero babe, ang ganda ng hair mo ngayon. Okay? Talaga tayong dalawa na tayong matinong-usapan lagi. But you know, you're very, very special. You're very, very beautiful. Don't forget that. And like what Tita Arlene said, whatever happens, no matter what mistakes, stand up, fight. Kasi, suplada ka. Diba? Kaya mo yan, diba? You're a good girl. So I love you, baby, so, so much. Sobra. Okay? Happy birthday.
Ay, so, bilang kuya mo, ang pinagandaan ko is 18 roses. Hindi ko alam na 18, ano ako, 18 bills. So yun, buti meron namang bill. And may gift na. So, Sophia, I just want to say to you that I'm proud of how you've grown. And just, since you're 18 na, you're maturing, just be wiser. And like what Tita Arlene said, what's important talaga, whatever you are experiencing, just overcome. Make sure that you are overcome, and also learn to have empathy with others as well. Para yun, mag-improve yung pakikitungo mo din sa tao. So that's all. I'm here for you always. I love you. Kuya loves you.
Alright, thank you. Once again, palakpakan natin ang 18 bills ng ating debutant, Sophia Asisio. And now, as we continue with our debut traditions,